my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, this is sponsored by VacLife under Cordless vacuum cleaner. This video is also a part of a giveaway, my very first giveaway of a brand. And this one is only for US residents. And everyone, in order for you to win this product, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, also to my Instagram, and you have to answer which area I use this product, and it needs to be a specific answer, and I will pick the winner and I will email you, and the company will send you directly this product. Thanks to VacLife for sponsoring today's video. Now let's start reviewing this product. Alright, here are all the pieces of this cordless vacuum cleaner. So I'm going to assemble it. So there's an extra filter right here and also one inside. So first, this is the one I'm gonna use because I would like to clean my chair. As you can see here, my chair has a lot of dust. And this vacuum is a perfect cleaner on my chair and make it beautiful again. If you're interested to purchase this cordless vacuum cleaner from VacLife, the link will be in my description box along with my discount code. In this video, I will show you 4 different areas how to use this cordless vacuum from VacLife. So the first one will be my dining chair. Alright, the second one I'm going to show you is my couch in my loft, and as you can see guys, the vacuum pick up a lot of dirt in the couch, and I am loving this vacuum cleaner. It makes my life easier to clean my couch because I use the big vacuum and it is very heavy. Right everyone, so as you can see over there, it's very dirty now. So next I'm gonna use is this guy right here because I'm going to do the stairs. Some of you have a carpet stairs, so this is the perfect gadget to use. Alright, so here's our stairs. On the before look, and Steve is the one who clean our stairs every once a week, and he always complain all the time because as you can see, we use our big vacuum and it was very heavy. The good features about this vacuum cleaner, it is not loud, at the same time it's not heavy, and it vacuum really good. As you can see the fiber of the carpet there, you can see how clean it is. And here is the end result of the carpet when it was already been vacuumed. Guys, so I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this vacuum. So all you have to do to take this off, you're gonna press this red button right here, and that's it. And then to disassemble this one as well, you're gonna press this. So here's the filter. Alright, this one right here is the filter, and as you can see guys, it's a lot of dust and my hair is there from the carpet. And here's another extra filter, and this is the inside of that vacuum right there. And this piece right here, you can use this one in your car or even in your chair or bed. It's also came with brass for your filter and the adapter to charge your vacuum. It also comes with manual instruction that you can read. Alright guys, so I will show you also right now my car is so dirty as you can see there. So I will show you how this vacuum works in the car. And if you have pets, this is very highly needed. Features powerful motorized brush, double filtration system, exquisite LED light convenient for nighttime, and very fast charging. Again, if you're interested to purchase this cordless vacuum, the link will be in my description box along with my discount code. And the reviews from Amazon is outstanding. I highly recommend this vacuum, and thank you for VacLife for sponsoring to this video. Alright everyone, so I featured 4 areas in this video and I hope you catch it. And I hope you are the lucky winner of this cordless vacuum cleaner from VacLife. Alright guys, now let's move on to my 3 different styling ideas of how to decorate with blue and white Chinoiserie pattern. And I hope you like it. Good luck to the lucky winner. And here's my table number 1. Enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome to my table number 1. This is my version of Hampton style with a twist of wild safari with blue and white Chinoiserie accessories. I hope you like it. My salad plate is thrifted, and this Liberty Bluebell, this is Independence plate. You can use this one on 4th of July, but for me, I'm using it for summer. And I also thrifted this wine glass right here. That's the price right there. I have 6 of them. So everything over here is thrifted aside from this one from Hobby Lobby. Shout out to Lady Mary Beth. This is inspiration came from her when she do folding with Chinoiserie Tablescape. So I will leave her channel link in my description box because she is a queen of blue and white Chinoiserie. So with this one, I use the 100% cotton tablecloth from Home Goods. So even I press this one, it's still gonna be look like this. But I love it because it looks like relaxed. I can do Hampton style in that one. Alright, in my centerpiece, this one is a utensil holder, and I have the tag there right here that I drafted from Goodwill. See, I hide that one is the price right there is 50% off. And when I thrifted this one, Steve and I, when we bought that, I supposed to put utensils in here, but I said, oh, I think I can use this one as flower arrangement. And I gathered all my blue and white flowers using this before. And yeah guys, so I just combined them all together to create that look. As I said, blue and white is very classic. You can style anything you want. Alright, let's move on to table number 2. Here in my table number 2, it was Chinoiserie Lemon Tablescape.
stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. Ooh, and I still wonder where you are. Ooh, if you found a way out, come seek me out. Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing.
Alright everyone, so let's talk about this table. So as you can see, I changed a little bit of accessories here, just like my ginger jar. If you have white ginger jar or any ginger jar you have, and if you have yellow flowers, you can combine them all together. If you don't have this kind of ginger jar right here, I got this one from Tuesday morning, and this one is actually broken over there, as you can see. And I got this one in a very good price. They gave me 25% for this, so this is $49.99, but I think I only paid $30 plus on it. So I love those. I said before I don't want any yellow ginger jar, but I'm actually liking it. And right over here, I did not change my napkin, it's still the same, but what I did, I changed it to lemon napkin ring. So this one came from Pure One, but over here this one from Hobby Lobby. So if you guys have a napkin ring, a lemon napkin ring, you can combine that with Chinoiserie. And again, this one, I know most of you have this plate from Dollar Tree, and I never changed my dinnerware because I love it so much. And I only changed the charger and this one. So you can use anything you have. It doesn't need to be a blue. You can do white, gold, or silver, anything you have. And right over here, because I would like this to be still glam, you know, I love glam. This one came from Z Gallery, but we have something like this in Hobby Lobby, the same style. If you want to grab that, and we also have a square one, and you can use it like that. As you can see, I never changed my tablecloth because I love it so much. I like this one to be, as I said earlier, relaxed tablescape. My wine glass right here came from at home, so I did not spend a lot of money with this because everything I have here, I already have this in my stash. The only thing new is this ginger jar, and that's it. Alright, let's move on to table number 3.
Welcome to my table number 3 in coastal and blue and white chinoiserie.
everyone, so let's talk about this Freestyle blue and white Chinoiserie Tablescape. As you can see over here, I used my Chinoiserie pattern, blue and white. On top of that, I have this scallop. I think this is charger or plate, but this one I got this from at home last year. Seems like to me it looks like a clam, but I call it scallops. And right over here, this napkin came from Pier 1 3 years ago. This napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby. Same thing, I have the runner for this pattern, and this one is a postal pattern. And again, I did use my candle holder because I would like to have an accent of blue and white, and using this before in my postal theme. I don't want to take this off because I love it so much, so it's perfect in this theme. And you will see this again before I'm going to you will see this again when I'm decorating for the home tour, because I also have those themes. So I hope you get some inspiration about how to mix blue and white Chinoiserie pattern in your tablescape. You can decorate them with sunflower, you can decorate them with postal, you can decorate with animal print, lemon, or even pineapple, anything you want. So just make an experiment, which is I always do. Alright, I hope this video is very helpful, and you consider to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell twice, so every time I upload videos, you will be notified.
Guys, let me know which one is your favorite. Is it table number 1, table number 2, or table number 3? Well, for me, I like 3 of them because it's very different with each other. What do you think? Stay tuned for my home tour coming up Sunday. This is not going to be my tablescape. I will change this table setting right here, and I hope you like it too. I might have to do a little bit of DIY with that for an inspiration. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye! Be safe!